Today's Power Query challenge is a bit tricky. Imagine you've got a single column with a mix of data, dates, product names and values. But here is the twist. Multiple products can appear on the same date with the same or different values. That means we can't just split the data into groups of 3 and call it a day. So how do we tackle this? First, let's decide which data type will anchor our table. Dates, they're important, but they don't repeat. Values, they are too dependent on products. Products, on the other hand, are unique enough to serve as a backbone. It's easier to match a product with the date just above it and the value just below it, rather than trying to reverse the process. So rename the column to something like product to reflect the decision. We need to isolate the date. Here's how. Add a custom column with the condition. This checks each row, and if the date is a date time, it stays, otherwise it's replaced with null. Now all the dates are neatly arranged above their corresponding products. So we can now use Fill Down tool to tie each product to its correct date. Now for the values, the process is similar. Add another custom column. Here we'll use type number. This keeps only numeric values, replacing everything else with null. Now fill up this column to assign each value to the product right above it. I'll create a new step and use the Table Select Rows function. Our table looks much better, but it's not perfect yet. Some rows might have non-text values in the products column that don't belong here. Let's filter those out. This ensures only rows with text values remain. And there you have it. We've turned a chaotic column into a clean structured table using Power Query. Along the way we explored the power of data types and learned how to fill up and down efficiently. Now it's your turn. What data challenges have you faced? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, see ya!